All right, market is closed. Now we can actually look finally at how AMC did for the day. All right. Yeah, down $3.76 on the day and continuing to be down after hours. All right. Here's the thing, folks. We knew that they were trying so hard to keep this beneath $20 a share. And maybe today will mark the beginning of that day because remember, anytime markets are down, even though the Dow Jones and the S&P recovered a little bit from the lows of this intraday session, the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000 didn't do as much. All right, so it means that, well, AMC is a big weight in the Russell 2000, so you can expect, especially after such a big run, to have the Russell 2000 down more than 2%, that AMC should at least also be down to the exact same extent or even further. But remember, whenever markets are red, it's easier for short sellers to be in control because the market is going down. All right. Now, keep in mind also that because $20 was kind of this psychological level, they will try to push it back down. And by they, I mean short sellers who are now getting in here to push it down further down to maybe $20. Remember, we are still, keep in mind, we're still, Wednesday? So we still have Thursday and Friday to go. But Friday is really the main decisive day here because it's the last day of the week and it's the closing day for options contracts. So we still have a lot of options already in the money. We have about 73,000 against 18,000 shares. Puts. So still in favor of calls. So sentiment is still bullish. But beyond that, lots of people are still betting on AMC to close by 30, if not 35, this current week. All right. So two things as always. If tomorrow, because we've broken down the 26 level, which I think at many levels around here, the stock was bouncing up and down. So it wasn't really going below the 26 level. So now that it's been broken, you see this fall sharp, all right, this fall sharp, and there is an attempt to recover. So this might be a new support where people feel confident or the stock feel confident to consolidate. Now, that being said, it doesn't mean that necessarily people are going to still buy this tomorrow or that people are going to continue, the price is going to continue necessarily go down tomorrow. But the bottom line is, if shorts continue to double down on this might give an opportunity to people who lost this huge run or people who have been cashing out on the 30s, all right, and we're waiting for the stock to go down. And once that happens, the momentum will come back. And anytime there is momentum with AMC, you can expect some major volatility on the green side of things because everybody knows once AMC is up 8, 9, 10%, whew, you can maybe have 20, you can have 25, you can have 50, you can have 45, you can even have 100%. Why? Because anytime there is a volume and buying pressure, it's not a good thing for shorts. So you can expect them to start covering, which will then increase the buying pressure even furthermore, pushing the share price even further high. So bottom line is, folks, if you are here for the long term, and by long term, I mean the ultimate short squeeze for the moon, then maybe consider this an opportunity to actually just do nothing. Because whenever you invest in something, you want your investment to reap. You want to cash out when it rips. So whenever that rip moment of that selling price, is it for you? If it's this price, when you do what you have to do, man. If it's not, just hold. That's what I'm doing, at least. All right. So let's see how it unfolds tomorrow and definitely on Friday. But yeah, AMC definitely not at the very end of surprises with this stock.